Foothills Parkway, baby. While I was getting gas, there were groups and groups of Harleys heading west. Pretty sure none of them are going to be on this road. This is not the road to Smoky Mountain Harley Davidson so they can get their t-shirts. What a beautiful day. If you don't believe there's a God, today will prove you wrong. God made all of this until it still had time to make a little speck like me. Just beautiful. Just beautiful day. What a beautiful day. Man, everybody with the Honda is out today. Every Honda I have encountered has been just driving my radar detector crazy. This one's from New Hampshire. In case you're wondering, hear the radar detector going off. K-band. That's the adaptive driving that Hondas have. I hate to turn K-band off on a radar detector because there are still some municipalities that are running K-band in their police vehicles. If they ever go back to X-band though, I am done. I always turn X-band off. That's what your wife did, X-band. Like her. Stop eating so much, chubby. Today couldn't be a better day though. It was a nice ride up through the Smoky Mountains. Now we're on the Foothills Parkway. I got to see like 5 elk. That's always cool. They're getting their antlers right now, so I might have to make another trip next week to see how far along they've progressed. And what would the Foothills Parkway be if you didn't get stuck behind a Ford Ranger at least once? Last time I rode this bike, I got so wet. It took me an entire day to just semi-clean off this bike. It was so nasty. Ugh. The wheels were more black than silver. It still needs a good scrubbing, but after this ride, it's going to get its 21,000 mile service, which isn't many for a bike this old. And there's been a lot of people from Virginia here. Tennessee is so lucky to have so many Democrats moving into it. Golly. Nothing will ruin the planet like a Democrat. They need to stay in Virginia. Virginia is for losers.